Alrighty guys, y'all see my current situation. Yes, we turning right here. We're making a left turn right here. Guys, this is the turn to the damn salvage yards, scrap yard. Got room to go. So what I'm about to do, I'm in my gray truck this time, not my Nissan. In fact, let me make sure I got all my ducks and Q's in order. All right, yeah, this is where you go if you got a little scrap. I don't have much, but I need my truck to be clean so I can do some moving. All right, batteries, 2 cat converters, and a transmission and a cover, aluminum cover. What y'all think? Maybe $100? Yeah, right. We'll see. We're gonna find out. Let's go sell this stuff to the scrap yard. All right, see what we can come up with. Look, anything is better than what I had, right? Right. So yeah, what I'm gonna do with it, it's not valuable to me, it's valuable to them. So I'm gonna sell it to them and let them give me what they think I'm worth, or what they think it's worth. Remember, I was up here about 2 weeks ago with my Nissan truck. Oh, look at more junk. I just love junk. Junk, 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 junk. All right, somebody's supposed to come out here and greet me. Where are they? All right. I don't want to turn my truck off because my battery dead. I think I'm about to go to Walmart and get another one of those $70 damn batteries. Oh, they ain't getting this. This is my yeah, this is my jump box. All right, maybe I'm supposed to pull over there. Do I pull over there? We just gonna pull over there. Usually somebody come out here and greet me, but this is why I went last time, because I don't have to get on the scale. I got a bunch of stuff that can go on the small scale. Let's see. Cat converter, batteries, transmission. Take it all, this junk. Not my junk box. What y'all think? Let's see who can get the closest. All right, survey the product first. Yeah, survey the and see who come the close. All right, I'm thinking around $100, maybe. I don't know. They be acting funny sometimes, and this stuff ain't worth nothing no more like it used to. All right, so yeah, I don't know if they're gonna give me all aluminum because I got a steel torque converter in here. I should have took that shit out. Still got time.
What car did it come out of?
Dodge Charger. My 2015 Dodge Charger.
42.
Sounds good.
Good? Okay, that's going up. Okay, now what we have to do is the price is good, then we're gonna cut it to make sure the stuff that I'm looking for is inside.
Okay.
Result. No, aquí, acá. Necesito. What did it come out of?
Chrysler 200.
It's also Chrysler?
Yeah, Mopar is Chrysler.
Chrysler?
Yeah, Mopar, that's our product.
Really? Is it aftermarket?
No, that's genuine.
Okay.
That's the original one that come off the car.
Okay, that's good. That's what we want. Because aftermarket doesn't work.
Oh, that's not worth anything?
$5.
Yeah.
$110.
$110.
That's good.
Good.
That's
Yeah.
very good. It's a good cat. Okay. That's what we're after. If it's not there, it's scrap metal.
Oh, okay.
Both sides. See? Are you from the island, man?
Oh, can't forget this. Well. What a nice guy. Man, I did have to get on the scale after all, but it's just for this transmission. And that's a ZF 8 HP transmission, so that mug nice and heavy. Alrighty guys, this might turn out better than I anticipated. So the guy told me what kind of cat converters they're actually looking for. Here's the scale. Weigh me, baby, weigh me. Alright, it's supposed to turn colors, then I dump it off, then we reweigh, and then we go from there. There we go. Green light mean go, y'all. Now, what they want me to dump this? I don't want to catch a flat. I see a transmission right there. So I'm assuming they want it right there. So you know what? Damn it. I'm putting it right there. It shouldn't be my job, but oh well. Hold tight. Ooh, righty guys. We just gonna slide this baby off of here. No, this ain't a ZF, this is a nag. Man, I probably could have overhauled this. I'm gonna regret this watch because I'm thinking I'm gonna need some parts out of there. You know what? But for now, goodbye, nag. Oh. Let me try this again. Goodbye, nag. Oops. 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 Well, they'll move it with the truck. Now I got a clean truck. Now I'm gonna do this one the same way I did my Nissan. I'm gonna clean it up. All right, guys, I gotta get back on the scale and then we're gonna go see how much we got. All right, y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, now it's time to collect. Let's see how much we got, baby. All right, guys, I'm still at the scrapyard. Y'all see this Toyota versus Dodge? Which one y'all taking? Because my choice, I'm taking that Dodge Dakota right there. I don't know about these Toyota Takuma. I guess I'm pronouncing that right. But I'm a Dodge guy, so yeah, that thing looks so much better. And reliability? Oh my God. Yeah, hardly, I don't have no problems out of that thing. Hey, all right, we'll throw an F-150 in the mix. So between the three, what y'all taking? F-150, the Dodge, or the Toyota Takuma? Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, I'm still waiting on my damn check, so it looks like she about to come. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we done here. So long, Toyota. Sorry ass truck. Then get you a Dodge, y'all. Now let's break some of this stuff down. First of all, I'm way off base here. Okay, I did not suspect I would get $261. Now let's break this down for a second. Because if you look right here, you could see the batteries paid the most, 47. Well, the cat converters paid the most, but forget that. I had 3 cat converters. Yeah, that's why I'm going back to Brothers Motors and get the rest of those batteries that's laying in the flow. Yeah, Brothers Motors, those batteries, I take them to the shop to put on our machine. If they fail, they come here and get paid for. The thing about that, guys, for 5 batteries, I could have got $50 at AutoZone or Advanced Auto, but they're going to give me a credit, store card. Okay, I can only buy their stuff with it. Here, I got cash for these batteries, okay? But as you can see, nothing weighs, all these numbers are down from previous years. I don't know, the market, the economy, who knows? But this is way more than what I had. Yeah, baby. Let me go deposit this or cash it or something. Guys, I'm done. Man, let me get out of here. My truck is still. All right, now I can enjoy my Dodge. If y'all don't have a Dodge, y'all might want to go get y'all a Dodge. Yeah, leave that Toyota Derman stuff alone. All right, I'm leaving the scrapyard. It'll be a long time before I come back out here. I don't do this. I just need, this stuff been on my truck forever in a day. So I needed to clear it up, but I'm done. That's all I have, man. I appreciate y'all watching these freaking videos.